Alright, TMNT fans, NECA fans, this is TMNT Trader, back with another unboxing video. Today I got you the NECA Street Scene Diorama. Alright, let's get into it. See if I can get this all on film. It's a pretty big display, so it's going to take up a lot of space. There's that box, and then there's another box. So a couple years ago, I actually posted a video of me assembling the San Diego Comic-Con version for the Comic-Con exclusive Ninja Turtles. So now, I don't know, I think this one came first. Not 100% sure, but I think this diorama came first. And then they just repainted it and gave it a different backdrop. I like this one, well, one, because it was cheaper, only about $110, and two, this backdrop for the top floor is reversible. So yeah, this one's a nice thick cardboard, and then I've been bamboozled. Hold on, let me see. Let's see. Okay, here we go. It unfolds. I was gonna say it looked blank, but nope. That's the entire backdrop. So the back of the building, cover the back of the, I guess the little rooms. But you get a daytime backdrop and a nighttime backdrop. So for the price, couldn't beat it. I think I was trying to buy the Ninja Turtle diorama again, and people on eBay, they want $200 and $300, and I just did a quick Google search and I came up with the original Street Scene Diorama at retail price of like $120, and then I think a little discount on the website, so it came down to $110. All right, so there's that. Try and get into these pieces now. Looks like the floor, bottom floor. Thinking this is the middle floor. Looks like it. Some walls. Walls, and then the top floor. Instructions. This is how you assemble the back. Little plastic push pins go in there to hold up the cardboard. assembling the rest of it. All right. Let's see, where do they want me to start? Of course, bottom floor. What's in here? Gotta be something here. Piping for the outside, some extra bricks, I guess, so they could stick out a little, or maybe if I want to leave some out, give it a slightly more realistic effect. Oh, and the windows as well. These. See what these are. I'm not sure yet. Can't quite remember. It's been so long since I assembled one of these windows. Like I said, those extra bricks to insert. Air conditioning unit. These hold down, I don't know. Oh, I think going to vertical lines to horizontal. We'll see. Push pins. And then some, what are they, gutter drains. All right, here we go. Sidewall first. Get some sidewalls on this platform. Those I'm guessing are these big ones. Let's see, there you go. So you can either insert those gutter drains or insert those individual brick pieces, just depending where you want to put these pieces. Again, these. And from the pictures and from what I remember, I think this is like a lighter brick tone than what the Ninja Turtle Street Scene comes painted as. All right. Oh, I'm still on the parts list. Okay, first floor. Sidewalls. Also pre-assemble these windows with the glass. There's one. you kind of move things around if you want. You know, you want the door over here. Pop these out. You know, take this out, move the door over. I think I'll do that. Okay. Comes right out. Push it right back in over here. Same with this blank wall insert. There you go. Paint might look a little off. I don't know if I like that or not. Might put it back. Let me flip it around, see if it makes a difference. Yeah. Put it back. I'm gonna look at that, and every time I snap a picture, it's gonna bug me. Was it like that? I guess so. Let me flip it around. See how it looks. Oh. All right. So these windows. Make sure there's no film, nope. Pop these in these little pegs right there. Push them down. Now we got windows. Do it again for right here. All right. So there's first floor. The side I want. Let's do this other side. Make sure these are hooked in right here. All right. I think I am ready for the next step. Looks pretty straightforward. Second floor, drop the flooring. Side walls again, windows, then the roof, and the backdrop. see, what did I do with it? All right. Okay, just dropping them on these pegs. See that? First floor so far. All right. Let's take out these walls with windows. Assemble those windows. And then let's see. All right, little plastic sheets. Pop out the next one, and it's just a couple more times. All right, the last one. Double check this. First floor, oh yeah. And drop this piece down. And just like with the first floor, that's what holds these two walls together. Side walls for this second floor. Doing this wrong. Sure looks. side. These pieces are so long, it's hard to keep them in frame. Then as I'm building up floor to floor, I'm getting higher and higher and closer to the camera. Again, I'm trying to latch them into these hooks here. Let's do that down the line. Like I said, it's hard to keep it in frame. And here we are with the top floor. These 3 pegs gonna go in here. All right. So that's the quick assembly of the exterior, and then the interior, like I was saying, is gonna have these braces. You know, maybe come under here, hold them up. Just, I guess, just so the more figures you stack on these floors, it's not gonna bow. See, right now it's gonna do that because they're not in yet. All right, so let me get those in. See if I can turn this without anything falling apart. Let's see. I only see them for the top floor. There's 5 of them. Nope. One. Two. It's in there, but it's still moving a little. back up. Alright, so this thing is so large now. I think I'll try to move the camera for you. But now it's just dropping in those small brick pieces and the cardboard connectors to the back. And then like a random air conditioning unit. These are gonna go to the back, and this is where the pins to the cardboard are gonna push in. So the bottom, the middle, and the top. See. I'm going to use the night scene first. So let's face that towards the front. This thing is just massive. turn it around here. I'm gonna take the camera and try to show you guys how it came out. So here it is. Street scene. So that's where you got to put in, you know, miscellaneous bricks and an air conditioning unit. So I'll do that. But it's huge. Doesn't quite fit under my first shelf here. But there it is. See if I could reach a NECA figure. Nope, they're out of reach. Here is a 6-inch Snake Eyes standing there on the second floor. Here's him standing in the street. It's gonna look great, full of figures. All right, that's it for me. I'll finish it up, post some pictures. Thanks for watching. See you next time.